Hi, my name is Ryan Adamson. I am the Director of Operations for MOSO North America. I'm here today to introduce you to our Varibo closed cladding. This is the MOSO bamboo Thermo material, and this cladding is specifically for use in areas where wildfire or high fire are of concern. The benefits of this cladding system are that there is no open joints between the planks, and the incredible density of the MOSO bamboo Thermo material makes it highly resistant to fire and resistant to ignition. Some additional style benefits are that the Varibo siding is available in 3 different sizes. This is available in a 1x6, a 1x4, and a 1x3. These sizes can be mixed and matched in any variation that you like. We think that the narrower sizes will have advantages and usage as soffits and outdoor ceilings as well. A couple of things to note when planning your project or planning for installation of the Varibo closed cladding. An air gap between the material and the wall must be maintained. You cannot install this product directly on the sheathing. The reason being is that when you install it directly on the sheathing, there's no space for air and moisture to move behind the boards. The negative side of that is that you may see cupping or other undesirable surface defects that would not happen if installed properly with an air gap. We have 2 options when creating this air gap, or 3 options when creating this air gap behind your material. If you're installing in a vertical application, which is the most popular application, either if you need to maintain a narrow gap here and you're in a drier climate, you can use a diagonal installation of your furring strips. This allows for moisture runoff as well as air to move behind the material. If you're in a more humid area or area that gets more rain and needs a deeper air gap, you can do a double batten, which is a 3/4 inch vertical with a 3/4 inch horizontal batten, spaced at either a 12, 16, or 24-inch interval on the horizontal battens. That will allow you a ton of really great airflow, moisture runoff, and an easy installation. If you're installing your cladding on a horizontal, right, so a traditional kind of clapboard look, you're going to install your battens vertically, 16-inch on centers into studs. That maintains a really nice clean air gap, and moisture obviously runs down should it get behind the cladding. So the Varibo closed cladding will come with pre-drilled holes at an 8-inch interval along the board. There's no guarantee that these holes will land on your furring strip, so I'm going to show you how to pre-drill holes for your screws. You're going to start with the Pro Plug tool that we offer for our other bamboo decking materials. You're going to remove the long pilot and put the little stubby pilot that comes with this tool. And when we drill this hole, we're only going to drill a little bit past the flat or into the flat collar of this drill bit. So that's going to look like this. So I'm going to find the see this horizontal, this line that runs in the tongue side. We're going to find that spot. As you can see, the material is pretty dense, and it does take a little bit of work to get that in. So now I've replaced that Pro Plug tool with a 9/64 drill bit. This should allow us to drill a large enough hole for our screw to move through cleanly. Obviously, I don't want to drill into the furring strip. Next, what we're going to use for our screw is a stainless steel number 8 1 5/8 screw. If you have to go through your batten strip into structure, you can use a longer screw, but a number 7 stainless steel is what we recommend. So another note on the stainless steel screws is it is never a good idea to use an impact driver on a stainless steel screw. Impact drivers over torque stainless steel and can weaken them. So you weaken and you destroy their shear strength. When you are holding up a whole wall of material that weighs 5 pounds a square foot, you absolutely want to make sure that your screws are in full working order and condition and have not been weakened by an impact driver. We'll set our drill to a lower torque, and on the torque setting, and again, you want to make sure that the head sets below, a little below flush, so that the next board will sit on nice and easily and isn't impeded. So another thing to notice is that all of our MOSO bamboo 6-foot products come with a T&G structural end match. As we know and understand, 6-foot boards may or may not end up on a batten, and that's okay. So as you can see with this here, we're seaming between battens. This board would go on like so. You'll see the seam, but what we've done is we've made the seams very attractive with a slight chamfer. So you always want to use your factory ends when seaming boards together. Thanks for watching our introduction into the MOSO Bamboo Thermo Varibo closed cladding. This product is available in stock, ready to ship to you through your distributor or lumberyard. If you're interested in any samples or additional information, please reach out to us at MOSO. The MOSO Bamboo Varibo closed cladding is the ideal product for projects which require a Class A fire-rated cladding solution and products that are approved for WUI zones. Additionally, it features unique design elements, weathers beautifully, and best of all, it's made from bamboo, which is an infinitely renewable resource that pulls tremendous amount of carbon out of the atmosphere, more than almost any other product. So thank you for your time watching this video. Please reach out to us at moso-outdoor.com.